Hello, Brian Fisher on board the Beneteau Swift Trawler 48 here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Going to give you a quick tour. Here we go. Entering the Swift Trawler 48 through the 3-panel sliding glass door in the back of the boat, you immediately see the aft galley design. Very generous size refrigerator, oven, cooktop, nice deep basin sink, pre-plumbed and wired for a dishwasher. Over on the starboard side, lovely place to store glassware and the such. Nice storage inside. All these cabinets, built-ins for glassware. Just a place to put nice accents, maybe some decorative items, built-in blinds. A nod to its offshore capability. Nice handles overhead. Somewhat narrow passageway here so that you can brace yourself during passages. This boat has a built-in wine cooler. You'll see one feature of all Swift trawlers is the built-in track and curtains that would make this settee area an additional sleeping space. Electrically operated table here on the 48, and that is a space right there for 8 people to generously sit and enjoy dinner. You see the TV is in a compartment that right now is flipped up. Clearly this would go down while you're underway, so as not to impact your visibility. Very nice bolstered Helm chair. Right here we have the signature side door, gets you right out onto the side passageway, and a door to get onto the dock. You'll see we have electronic controls for the twin Cummins diesels, bow and stern thruster. Beneteau Ship Control is currently up on this very nice Raymarine display, and the Raymarine Clear Cruise feature, which is a pretty cool augmented reality add-on to the Raymarine system. Shows you all your AIS targets in addition to the camera. You have our autopilot right here. Let's take a quick tour down below this 3-cabin trawler. Moving forward into the primary cabin, you'll see very nice, nearly queen size berth. Windows in both top sides, hanging locker on both sides. Entering into the ensuite, you'll see very nice style features, little porthole, light, and of course very separate shower stall with a seat and the shower nozzle on the wall. Moving back aft, see over here the port cabin can be set up as 2 singles or with the filler cushion in, also with a very nice generous hanging locker and window to look outside. Over here on the starboard side, you'll see an additional berth that extends up underneath. Very nice size, also queen size. This is where you would put in the washer and dryer, which is in a very nice, easily accessed area, and hanging space above. Moving back aft, we'll go and take a look at some of the machinery space. So under the floor here in the main salon, we have the twin Cummins 425 horsepower straight shaft inboards. You'll see the fuel tanks forward. So Beneteau's design is perfect with all of the weight centered right in the middle of the boat. Easy access to the dipstick of both engines. You have your sea strainers aft, also easy access. You can get around to all sides of these engines. Also have your fresh water tanks outboard over there on the port side and the starboard side. So straight shaft engines, just a great way to keep things simple. You can get them serviced wherever you are during your cruising adventures. There you have it, the Beneteau Swift Trawler 48. Just a favorite of people doing cruising. It's a full 3-cabin, 2-head boat with plenty of capability. Cruises economically at 10 knots with a tremendous range, or can also cruise at 18 knots when you need to get ahead of some weather or get home in a hurry. So the Swift part of the Swift Trawler is unique and a great benefit. So let me know if you have any more questions. Brian Fisher at Cape Yachts. I'll leave my information below. Thank you.